It is August 11th, Unta, and I'm at the Order X Street, Hiawatha Station, Order X Street, and I'm making videos of blue line trons, and trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of trons. Trons are fucking cool. The last time I made a video at this station was back in February. It was before this fucking pandemic got bad, and it was snowing when I made the video of the Tron at this station. Today the weather's kind of fucking hot out, but it's the coolest it's been in many months. The coolest it's been in a couple of weeks. It's still too fucking hot, not as bad as it's been the other days. The Tron is pulling out of the station. Who said pull out? Yeah, he said pull out. Yeah, it's on minutes to the next Tron that goes. So I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna see if I can get Trons in the same video and just keep it running so I can get Trons in the same video. I'm so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos, and then one of them makes more interesting Tron videos than I do.